Hi, hello everyone. Hi, I'm Manusha BM from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from ECE department. Now I am going to give small presentation about centroid. Definition of centroid. Centroid of a body is a point at which the whole area of the plane figure is assumed to be constructed. It is represented by CG or G, the centroid of a gravity at the same point. Centroid is also called as moment of inertia. Steps for solving a problem. Step 1. Assume the reference x and y axis if not given in the question. Step 2. Check for the symmetry of the figure. Step 3. If the figure is asymmetrical, then divide the whole figure into non-geometrical section like rectangle, triangle, semicircle and quadrant of a circle. Step 4. Then determine the centroid of an individual geometric from the figure reference x and y axis using the table. This is a figure. First we need to consider x and y axis. First we need to check whether the given figure is symmetric or unsymmetric. Here the given figure is unsymmetric. First we need to know the components of unsymmetric: rectangle, triangle and semicircle. Then we need to go next step. We need to draw the tabular column of this figure. Component: area A, center or distance from x-axis y, moment of area about x-axis ay, center or distance from y-axis x, moment of area about y-axis ax. First we need to go first one, rectangle. For rectangle, area is breadth into depth is equals to 9 into 6 equals to 54. Center distance from x-axis is d by 2. We know that d value is 6. 6 by 2 equals 3. Next, moment of area about x-axis ay, that area into centroid distance. 54 into 3 is 162. Centroid distance from y-axis is b by 2. We already know that b value is 9. 9 by 2 is 4.5. Moment of area about y-axis ax. Um, uh, Area into center distance from y-axis. 54 into 4.5 is 243. Next, semicircle. Area of a semicircle is pi r square by 2. R square is 3. Pi into 3 square by 2 is 14.14. Next, centroid distance from x-axis is r equal to 3. Moment of area about x-axis ay is area into centroid distance from x-axis is 14.14 into 3 is 42.42. Centroid distance from y-axis is minus 4r by 3 pi. R value is already we know that 3. 4 into 3 divided by 9.42, that equals minus 1.27. Next, moment of area about y-axis ax, that is area into centroid distance from y-axis, that is equals to 14.14 into minus 1.27, that equals minus 17.95. Next one is triangle, that equals area is off into base into height. Base value is 3 and height value is 6, that equals off into 3 into 6, that equals 9. Centroid distance from x-axis y is 2 by 3 into h. We already know that h value is 6. 2 by 3 into 6 equals 4. Send area into moment of area about x-axis ay. We know that area into centroid distance from x-axis, that equals 9 into 4, that equals 36. Centroid distance from y-axis x, 9 plus 1 by 3 into depth. We already know that b value is 3. 9 plus 1 by 3 into 3, that equals 10. Moment of area about y-axis, we already know that area into centroid distance from y-axis, that 9 into 10, that equals 90. Summation of A is total area of rectangle, triangle and semicircle that equals 77.14. Summation of AY is moment of area about x-axis 240.42. Summation of AX is moment of area about y-axis 315.05. X bar equals summation of AX by summation of A that equals 315.05 divided by 77.14 that equals 4.084. Y bar equals summation of AY divided by summation of A that is equals 240.42 divided by 77.14 that equals 3.1166. Thank you.